Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the apps not available in your country error on your iPhone. So let's start the video without any delay. Open the settings app, tap on your Apple ID, then tap media and purchases. Tap view account in the pop-up menu, then tap on country region. Here select a new country. Tap on continue. Now agree to term and conditions. Enter a new billing address and valid payment method for that region, or choose none if that option is available. Enter a random valid addresses from that country and then tap your city postal code. Choose your country. Enter your phone number. After completing the processes, tap on done button. Now open the App Store. Search for the app again and you should be able to download it easily. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.